Good morning and welcome to Gregory Makes. Today I'll be making these gorgeous 5-ingredient banana pancakes. So come and make with me. The 5 ingredients you'll need to make these are a banana, a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of flour, and a little bit of milk. First, peel and break up a banana in a mixing bowl and then smash it into a pulp with a fork. Next, break in an egg and combine. Now add the flour and the baking powder, mixing in between. You will want it mixed fairly well, but do not worry if there are a couple of lumps. These are the bananas and not lumps of flour, so don't worry. If the mix is still looking a bit thick, add a splash of milk. Combine until the batter is slightly lumpy. Be careful not to overmix so that the batter makes pancakes which are lovely and delicate. Place a frying pan on a medium-high heat and allow to warm through. Then drizzle a flavourless oil such as sunflower oil or vegetable oil into the frying pan. Allow the frying pan to get nice and hot and distribute the oil evenly across the bottom of the pan. Pour a dollop of the batter into the frying pan, about the size of a tea coaster. Wait for the perimeter to crisp up and then flip. The first pancake usually takes longer to cook, however the rest will cook faster and faster as the pan gets hotter. Fry on the opposite side for half as much time as the first side. Then place on a pre-warmed plate. Continue to make pancakes until your batter is used up. This quantity of batter should make 3 to 4 pancakes, enough to serve 1 or 2 people. You can of course easily scale up the recipe to serve more people. The ratios will be the same. Serve with a generous helping of maple syrup. These pancakes are deliciously fluffy, packed with silky bananas and drizzled with gorgeous maple syrup. It makes a perfect balanced breakfast and is free from butter and refined sugar. You could almost say that it's healthy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd love to see more, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching.